give life to your legacy. Draft your will. We all want that whatever we have earned, it should go to the next generation smoothly, without any you can say issues or problem, so that everyone is satisfied and there is no, or you can say संबंधों में दरार नहीं पड़नी चाहिए. So you should draft in your will in such a way that it should be fair to everybody, and especially as per your desire. Whatever you want to protect somebody, you want to give your legacy. So these are the things that is to be kept in mind. Now, while drafting the will, how can you draft a will which cannot be legally challenged, or legally it should be sound? For that, certain things to be remembered. I am just discussing those points. The will has, first of all, the executor. Whosoever is the executor, he should be identified clearly that I am so and so residing at this place, and mention the PAN card number or passport number or the Aadhaar number, so that the person is clearly identified. That one part is that. Secondly, whosoever is your relative in your family members, they should also be listed in your will. That my son, along with the relation, that he is my son, aged about so and so, residing at present at this place, his wife or his children, detail of your grandchildren, everything should be listed. Now comes your assets. Assets can be of two types, movable and immovable. You should list all of your assets along with the details, like what is the address, the property number, a tentative area, approx area you can say. Those should be listed in the schedules. After that, immovable properties have been listed. Now you should list all your movable properties, which can be in the form of mutual funds or shares, your bank balances, or any locker. Those are the things which are movable property, including your households, car, or electronics, whatever is there, jewelry especially. Those things should be listed properly and adequately. Now comes to whom you want to bequeath your properties. Basically, who are the beneficiaries? They should be very clearly, and you should be very careful while listing this. You have to clearly mention that this property will be bequeathed in favor of this person. Otherwise, later on it may create a problem. And also you should mention that you are drafting this will as per your own will and desire, and there is no pressure or coercion on you. This is as per your free will. Once you have closed your will, drafted, you should sign the will on every pages, and it has to be witnessed by two persons. The witnesses should mention their name, their signature, father's name, address, and also the PAN card for the purpose of proper identification. Then there is a mention of executor also. You should mention the name of a person who will take care of smooth passing of the assets after you are not in the world. The executor should also be mentioned in the will properly with his address, name, resident of India or somewhere else. So in this way the will is drafted, it has been witnessed. Now the question is where to keep the will. You should never keep your will in the locker, because once you are not there, your locker would be seized. It cannot be operated by any other person unless it is a joint locker. So keep one copy of original will with your executor and other copy with your important documents. Now this is done, your will is there. Now registration, you can go for registration of your will, but this is not mandatory. It is always your last will which prevails, even it is registered or not registered. So in this way you can draft a proper will which is legally fit and sound, and that can be kept as a part of your documents. Thank you very much.
Great. Okay.